The Korean sodium-cooled fast reactor has been developed by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, and it employs an innovative decay heat removal system to enhance plant safety. In order to verify the inherent design concept and its performance, a sodium thermal hydraulic test loop is being constructed at the Cary site. As the first step of the performance verification using a large-scale sodium thermal hydraulic test facility, the construction of the Stella 1 has been completed. The total sodium inventory amounts to around 18 tons, and its overall size is around 15 by 8 by 22 meters for its width, length, and height respectively. Stella 1 consists of the main test loop, the sodium purification system, and the gas supply and related auxiliary systems. The main components of this facility are sodium-to-sodium heat exchanger, sodium-to-air heat exchanger, mechanical sodium pump, loop heaters, cold trap, plugging meter, electromagnetic pumps, flow meters, and a sodium storage tank, and so on. The designed maximum temperature is 600 degrees Celsius, and the designed power capacity of the main heat exchangers, such as sodium-to-sodium and sodium-to-air heat exchanger, are 1 megawatt. The maximum electric power putting into the facility is 2.5 megawatt, and the nominal liquid sodium flow rate supplying into the test heat exchangers is designed to be less than 10 kilograms per second. During the mechanical pump test, more than 120 kilograms per second of liquid sodium circulates under 10-inch diameter pipes. The sodium purification system consists of main equipments such as a cold trap, tanks, an electromagnetic pump, and a closed-loop piping system. In the purification system, liquid sodium is circulated by the electromagnetic pump and cooled down in the cold trap. The cold trap provides the function of sodium purification by removing the impurities in liquid sodium. The cold trap is composed of a trap, a mesh packing, a heater, and a cooling blower. The impurities in liquid sodium can be removed by capturing them at the mesh packing in the cold trap after the temperature falls below their solubility. Finally, the purified sodium returns to the main sodium loop. The plugging meter is an online measuring device for impurities contained in liquid sodium. It is designed to control the temperature of sodium in a cooling or heating pipe and extract sodium impurities by manipulating their saturated solubility. The plug temperature is measured at a point where the sodium flow rate decreases or goes down to zero. The sodium-to-sodium heat exchanger tests are performed to investigate the rate of heat transfer through the tube wall by hot and cold sodium loop operation. In the sodium-to-air heat exchanger tests, the heat transfer performance from liquid sodium flow inside tubes to the airflow is investigated by cooling the external tube surface with ambient air. In order to evaluate a heat removal capability in passive mode, natural circulation flow inside a sodium loop piping is also investigated by using a bypass of the electromagnetic pump. The PHTS pump test loop consists of a reservoir, pipes, valves, and a vertical pump unit. This loop is equipped with various sensors for measuring flow rate, temperature, liquid sodium level, and so on. The main test loop is designed to simulate the transient operation mode using a flywheel as well as the normal operation mode. Stella 1 is a synthetic experimental facility to demonstrate the accumulated SFR technologies achieved from the R&D activities in Korea. It is expected to contribute to attaining the national strategic targets of securing the competitive technologies in the field of SFR development.